Oh no, what is the...
You don't know what that is?
No.
How to use the chopstick? Can you, make...
Yeah, perfect. Tapos this one, ito, Kasi once na dito din ang galaw. Practice. Sa next course. For example, yung concept unitas. Kasi wala kinakain mo doon sa China. Sa lusog pa. Kasi gusto nila, busog-busog yung mga iwang.
I'm trying to do what?
Basta hindi mo maano yung eating. Are you eating? Kuha ka pa ng quail egg.
The quail egg. Oh! Here.
Why? What's wrong ate? Sa lutso ba? Saan? Sa chopsticks. Oh my goodness. Pero
What?
No, it's not the phone. Wait, we need to finish the asparagus. Lahat kukuha ng asparagus. Ano ba? Ngayon, ang dami mo nilalagay sa akin.
What does the quail egg taste like? Mukbang.
Ano ba rin? Kumuha ka pa kahit pa paano. Hindi na, siyang kumuha na sa... Mama, kuha ka yun.
Why did you do that?
How about you? You isip mo your pulse, ha?
I even do it.
Kasi basta mama, bigyan mo na kay Basi yung ano, para kanya siya.
Diba? Why did you do this?
Alin?
Ayan yung kutsara. Basi, kuha kang kanin. Go, get some kanin.
Look at the face.
Basi, kuha kang kanin. Get.
Basi, don't do that.
Oh, get some kanin. Sandan. Okay. Ate Ese.
Tama na. Basta hindi mo ubos.
Get some rice. Bigyan mo kay Ate Ese yung rice.
No.
I don't you want rice.
Just do it for acting.
No.
You don't really have to.
Well, you put it on me, I literally don't eat my pata even. Not even a teeny tiny. You put yellow kanin, I never eat it.
Yung ako, wala kakain. Ay lang.
You put like yellow kanin on me, I ain't eating it anymore.
That's clearly fried rice.
Well, I don't like fried rice.
With
Wing.
They just like plain rice.
ito asparagus.
Plain rice is the basic rice. I like the basic.
Right, YouTube. Asparagus. Asparagus. Ayun yung asparagus. Everybody gets asparagus.
A mukbang.
A what?
Mommy, it's
Mukbang daw.
no, that's just chocolate. Can I see